Welcome back to the continuation of my tour of Sandals Grenada, filmed in October 2018. And in this video, I'm going to give you a tour of 6 rooms. First of all, the room we spent 6 nights in October 2018, and that's room 8109, a Southseas, Hideaway, Walkout, Junior Suite. I'm then going to quickly cover room 8106, the room that we had during our first night stay at Sandals Resorts in October 2018. I'm then going to take you on a tour that we did on Monday with the Sandals rep, looking at 3 premium level rooms. The first, a pink gin, beach view, club level. The second, an ocean view, penthouse, Butler level. And finally, a Romeo and Juliet, Butler level. This video is then going to time travel back 12 months to October 2017, where we're going to look at room 9105, the Lovers Lagoon Walkout Junior Suite that Fiona and I had last year. So let's begin with 8109, the room that Fiona and I occupied for 6 nights from Sunday to Saturday during our visit in October 2018. I should start by saying that this Southseas Hideaway Junior Walkout Suite is a very similar layout to the Lovers Lagoon room that Fiona and I had last year in 2017. However, you will see the furniture is a lot darker, even a little bit more ornate, but you will notice that there is no indoor hot tub in these rooms, unlike the Lovers Lagoon room that we had last year. The room was, however, extremely well appointed. The USB sockets were built into the bedside lamps, and they included both UK and US plug sockets. As you would expect, there was the usual safe inside the walk-in closet. I loved the open shower last year, so in 2018 I certainly wasn't disappointed. The toilet was also located in a private WC. And if Fiona and I had one criticism about this room, it was the fact that there was only one sink. Men really are from Mars and women from Venus. And the reason Fiona and I wanted to move rooms in the first place is so that we had the outlook of the fantastic Southseas Hideaway infinity pool. Now let's take a quick look at room 8106. The best way I can describe this particular room, it is simply the dyslexic version of room 8109, the room that I've just shown you. However, we moved because this room had absolutely no view at all. Other than that, room 8106 was identical to room 8109. So in the first few days of our holiday in October 2018, Sandals invited ourselves, along with our friends Donna and Michael, and another couple from the UK, to take a look at some of the other premium rooms in this fantastic resort. The first being a pink gin, beach view, club level room. I know that room choices are very personal, so this is where I have to admit that I find these rooms very dark with tiny balconies, but I do know that a lot of other guests swear by them, love them in fact, so again I just think it is down to personal choice and personal taste. So the next room we were taken to was in the Italian village and was called an ocean view penthouse with sky pool and also including Butler level. Fiona tells me that out of the 3 premium rooms that she saw, this was certainly her favourite. And who can blame her for this choice when you wake up every morning to this view? And as you can see, this room consisted of a separate bedroom, living area and a fantastic bathroom, but also a little kitchenette area. And I know I've said this before that Sandals Grenada have some of the most complicated and confusing room names and room types of any resort I've ever visited. And just to add to this confusion, the final premium room we looked at seemed to come with 2 names, but being a guy I like to keep things simple and have called it the Romeo and Juliet Butler level. And this is where I admit to you that out of the 3 premium rooms that we looked at, this was without a doubt my favourite. As you can see, the outdoor space was amazing, with its own infinity pool and even a hot tub. Just like the previous room we looked at, this Romeo and Juliet Butler level suite had a separate living room, bedroom and an awesome bathroom. In fact, it was incredible even for me to say. So if I could get over my utter hatred of flying economy between the UK and the Caribbean, I'd probably use the money that I saved from not flying business class to book this fantastic room category. So to complete this room tour from Sandals Grenada, I thought I would take you back 12 months to October 2017 and take you on a tour of the room Fiona and I had last year, and therefore room 9105, a Lover's Lagoon Junior Walkout Suite. You may think this room is familiar and very similar to the Hideaway Southseas Walkout Suite that we had this year, room 8109 and 8106. However, you will notice that the furniture is very different, and in fact we felt it was brighter, it was airier, and of course you can see there was an indoor hot tub. The furnishings of this room were certainly much more modern, and in our opinion made the room brighter. In addition to UK and US wall-mounted sockets, these rooms, or certainly this room, had multiple wall-mounted USB sockets. Other than that, the room we had last year was very similar to the room we had this year. While these Lovers Lagoon rooms are probably the lowest level rooms at Sandals Grenada, they are certainly not down market, and in fact Fiona and I both remarked on how good they are, and probably even better than what we had this year. As I finish this room tour video, I can't help smile thinking about the Sandals Grenada official fans Facebook page. I sometimes think that people obsess about rooms at Sandals Grenada. However, I do understand that room choice really is a choice based on people's personal tastes and personal values. However, for Fiona and I, a room is somewhere to put your head down at night, a place to sleep, a place to shower, and a place to wash. And therefore us, pretty well any room at Sandals Grenada would be good enough. And as you can see, this Lovers Lagoon basic room is fantastic, it's awesome, it's well appointed, it's clean. Of course there are other choices based on location, outlook, size, and of course whether you want a butler or not. I'm therefore confident that whatever room you choose at Sandals Grenada, you will certainly not be disappointed. I therefore want to close this video by thanking you for taking the time to watch it. But please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to keep living the dream.